Hello. Hey, I'm outside and it's so cold. I did see some animals in trees and they are cute. These flowers, bird flowers. You can listen birds. I got to go.